Being this year's winner of the world's Lightweight Invention Award, the BetterGuard is a feet and ankle stability protection device for athletes. Mostly suitable with volleyball and basketball players, its working is similar to automotive seatbelts. A flexible insert is wrapped around the ankle and firmly fastened to prevent injury by a hydraulic micropiston. This innovative piston has a millisecond activation time and can move at least 4 million times. The bandage should be worn by the user over the sock for best results. Weighing only 305 grams, it comes in 5 sizes, so you don't worry. Introducing a man who wants to add fun and his own talent into doing chores. Personally, this guy from Hong Kong deserves the attention of big motorcycle companies. With his skills, he created a spectacular DIY custom 2-in-1 motorcycle out of a junk-abandoned motorcycle. The bike has a very futuristic appearance thanks to its integrated speakers, vibrant lasers, and mind-blowing locust design. It is functional because, in addition to allowing you to ride it, its smart exhaust pipes allow you to efficiently clean the streets. Such a clever and creative design deserves more credit. If you are one of the 10% people in the world who has $1.5 million just casually lying around, then this might pique your interest. The DeepFlight Dragon is a personal submarine that combines a hypercar and an airplane. It can dive up to 100 meters and remain submerged for 8 hours. Being powered by electricity, the submarine has a modest speed of up to 9 kilometers per hour. The emergency system lasts for 72 hours, and it also features 2 separate oxygen systems and an emergency surfacing option, if you are really in trouble. Do you know why your local municipal authorities constantly work on the storm drains? No, they are not searching for pennywise. You see, 2 billion tons of solid waste are produced annually, which not only ruins the environment, but also blocks the functioning of these storm drains. To counter that, the smart curb guard is utilized. These inserts offer a quick fix for avoiding clogs. They may collect both liquid and solid pollutants, plus the upgraded model can even filter harmful liquids. These inserts have a set length of 91 or 122 centimeters, making them simple to cut and install on location. They may flow at a rate of 106 or 140 liters per minute, and their low-profile design lowers the danger of damage from cleaning and transporting tools. Utilize the MindPlay MyndHub brain training wearable to achieve the Jedi-level mental control you've always desired. By meditating and honing your mental attention, you can really move, power, and control your objects with your mind. Your information is transmitted to the device, which also has other devices linked into it, via a connection to an EEG brainwave headset. These devices then respond to your brainwaves and behave in accordance with your goals. This technology integrates neurofeedback into the actual world, so you may increase your mental fitness and concentration. It enables anyone to create their own mind-controlled devices at home. Overall, this advanced and adaptable brain technology gives you the impression that you own superpowers. People working physically demanding jobs are facing high stress and physical strain to their body. This may seem fine for some time, but gradually, it leads to chronic ailments. If you are a company owner with such jobs, and if you truly care for your employees, then you can incorporate the Cray X from German Bionic. This product shields the lower back from heavy weights and lowers the chance of damage. Second, it softly pushes the legs while walking and offers active help, enabling workers to lift and carry weights of up to 30 kilos without trouble or strain. You rarely notice the exoskeleton on your body while working, and its new version allows you to replace the battery without pausing work. Now chop, back to work. Well, that's going to be it for today. If you find this video entertaining, then drop a like and do subscribe for more similar content like this.